Peanut drops, guys. Let's get into it. Well, growing up in Jamaica, these was always one of my best favorite sweet treats. We love peanut drops, coconut drops, and there are so many. But this one, always my favorite. Guys, I'm trying to get these in the shops, and also it soon be available on my website. These are made with fresh peanuts, sugar, ginger, and some warm spices. It is so delicious. You can add these on toppings for anything, ice cream and all. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.